welcome back to another video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'm gonna get to 1 million subscribers, so if we make it to that much, I will be doing a giveaway. So please guys, let's make it to 1 million subscribers. And as you know, my sister is super sick. She has a run nose. What color do you want? What color piece? The rose gold or just the gold? Make sure to subscribe and you'll be the lucky winner. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, and this is also a slime video, so if you guys want a chance to win to my house and come make slime with me, then all you need to do is do all of those stuff and you get double the things. Oh shit. I got top on my box. Okay. And make sure you do all those stuff and you'll come make slime with me. Okay, so this is how I made my slime. So first you need a container and make sure your parents let you use it. Make sure it's not glass. Because if it's a glass container, you will ruin it. Bless you. Thank you. You will ruin it. You're welcome. You will ruin that beautiful glass bowl. And make sure it's a plastic bowl, and make sure it's usable, and make sure it's washable, and make sure that stuff doesn't stick to it. And so the next, I love the slime. Okay, let's just put it to the side so you guys don't see it. And yeah, and then you need glue, shaving foam, and contact solution. So first you're gonna add the whole entire bottle of glue, and then you're gonna add 2 cups of shaving cream, and then you're gonna pour it in, and then you're gonna start mixing it for 5 to 10 minutes. And then if you want to add food dye, that is your choice. Whatever color food dye. If you want to add glitter to make it super glittery, make sure to add the whole container of glitter. Just like I did. I added the whole container. And also make sure to mix for a long time, because that will actually help your slime to come together. And then after, you're going to add the contact solution. Keep adding it until everything comes off the bowl, and then you can start using it with your hands, and then boom, you have slime. Okay, so this is a slime that I made. It's like super stretchy. I just love it. And yeah, so I used all those stuff, and look how glittery. It's for that. And then guys, my sister, she drew a beautiful picture for you guys. So this is for the love fam. Is it a boy or a girl? Whatever. If you're a girl, this is for you. And if you're a boy, I'm sorry, she didn't get to draw a boy. I could draw a boy. And she's gonna draw a boy. If he has beard, I could draw a beard. What the? Okay, so that's for you guys. That's for the love fam. And then yeah, this is how my slime turned out. It's super stretchy, and And if it's like super stiff, make sure to add shaving cream after all over your slime, and make sure to add some, not contact solution, add some body lotion, and that help it get super stretchy. Yeah. So yeah. Wow. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. No. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if we can get this video to 1,000 likes, that would be amazing. So I hope I'll see you guys next week on PD Stacy 05. Bye guys.